This isn't your grandpa's construction site. Robots, drones, 3D printers, and more. Buckle up, grab your hard hat, and witness the future of building. Modular construction, like giant Legos. Remember building forts as a kid? Modular construction is like that, but with entire rooms and buildings. Built off-site in a factory with precision and quality control, shipped to the job site and assembled like a puzzle. This method can cut construction time by half, plus, it reduces waste and is more efficient. A win-win for workers and new homeowners. This is gonna blow your mind. Welcome to the world of 3D printing, where houses are printed like they were papers. Three-dimensional printing in construction is like putting your house on fast forward. Imagine entire structures being printed layer by layer, almost like a giant, super-precise hot glue gun. This technology is revolutionizing affordable housing and complex architectural designs. BIM, Building Information Modeling, blueprints on steroids. Remember those giant rolls of blueprints architects used to carry? BIM digitizes those blueprints and supercharges them with digital steroids. Everyone can virtually walk through the building, spot issues, and collaborate in real time. It's like a crystal ball, avoiding costly mistakes and delays. BIM saves headaches and ensures projects are done right the first time. We've all seen drones delivering packages, but did you know they're also changing the game on construction sites? Forget about those shaky ladders and risky scaffolding inspections. These flying robots capture high-resolution images, giving everyone a bird's-eye view of the progress. Drones make construction sites safer and more efficient. Chapter 5. Drones, not just for Amazon deliveries anymore. AR and VR, the ultimate walkthrough. Imagine walking through your dream home before a single brick is laid, or seeing the finished project on a construction site before the foundation is poured. With AR, clients overlay digital designs onto the real world using tablets or smartphones, while VR offers a fully immersive experience with a headset. AR and VR let you experience the final product firsthand. IoT sensors, the eyes and ears of a smart construction site. Imagine your construction site having a nervous system, constantly monitoring everything. That's the power of IoT sensors. These devices measure temperature, humidity, vibration, and noise levels. With IoT sensors, construction sites are smarter, safer, and more efficient. Remember those sci-fi movies where robots took over dangerous jobs? The future is here, and these robots are here to help. From bricklaying robots laying thousands of bricks to robotic arms lifting heavy materials with precision, robots are indispensable on construction sites. They handle hazardous, repetitive tasks, ensuring fewer workplace injuries and a safer environment for everyone. Chapter 8. Robots, the future is now. Sustainable materials, building a greener future. The construction industry consumes vast resources, but things are changing. Sustainable materials are emerging, often stronger and more durable. They reduce the industry's carbon footprint and create healthier buildings for all. Welcome to Smart Energy Systems, outsmarting energy waste. Think of a building that's basically a giant computer, constantly optimizing its energy use. These systems use sensors and intelligent software, adjust lighting and temperature based on occupancy, and tap into renewable energy sources. The result is a more environmentally friendly building that saves a ton on energy costs. Prefabrication, building off-site, winning on-site. Remember the modular construction we talked about earlier? Prefabrication takes that concept to the next level. It's like building with a kit, but with walls, floors, roof trusses, even entire bathrooms, all made in a factory and shipped to the site. This means faster construction, less waste, and higher quality. It's like having expert builders working non-stop, even in bad weather. Advanced concrete technology, concrete that heals itself, you bet. Concrete, it's the backbone of modern construction, but it can crack under pressure. What if concrete could heal itself? Thanks to advancements in material science, it can. Self-healing concrete uses special bacteria to seal cracks. These advancements make structures more durable and longer lasting. Simulation tools. Test driving your building before you build it. Imagine test driving your building before breaking ground. Simulation tools make this possible. Create virtual models and test various scenarios. It's like fast-forwarding to see your building's future performance. Imagine a building that can think for itself, adjusting the temperature, lighting, and security systems based on who's inside. These structures are packed with sensors, actuators, and intelligent software that adapt to occupants' needs. Welcome to Chapter 14, Smart Buildings, where the building does the thinking. Performance evaluation technology, keeping buildings honest. You wouldn't buy a car without looking under the hood, would you? The same goes for buildings. Performance evaluation technology gives your building a checkup, using sensors and data to measure its performance. Think of it like a Fitbit for your building, tracking its vital signs. Alternative energy solutions. Kissing fossil fuels. Goodbye. The construction industry is finally getting serious about kicking its fossil fuel addiction, and alternative energy solutions are leading the charge. Solar panels soaking up the sun's energy, wind turbines harnessing the wind, and geothermal systems tapping into the Earth's heat. These sources are being integrated into buildings, reducing our reliance on dirty energy and creating a cleaner, sustainable future. Construction management software. Taming the chaos of construction projects have a million moving parts, but there's software for that. It tracks budgets, schedules, materials, and manpower, streamlining operations and reducing errors. Remember those old construction sites where operators relied on gut instinct? Smart construction equipment is now in the driver's seat, with sensors, GPS, and onboard computers. It's like having a team of robotic construction workers who never miss a beat. Energy management systems. Buildings that sip, not gulp, energy. Buildings are notorious energy hogs, but it doesn't have to be that way. Energy management systems put your building on an energy diet, using sensors and smart software to track consumption and optimize lighting, HVAC, and more. It's like having energy experts working around the clock. Wearable technology safety gear gets a high-tech makeover. Remember when safety gear meant a hard hat and steel-toed boots? Wearable technology is revolutionizing workplace safety. Smartwatches track location and vital signs, exoskeletons support heavy lifting, and AR glasses overlay safety information. These devices prevent accidents and improve well-being. A crystal ball for your building. Imagine having a virtual replica of your building that exists in the digital realm, constantly updating in sync with its real-world counterpart. By connecting sensors, data analytics, and BIM, digital twins create a dynamic, data-rich representation. It's like having a crystal ball for predictive maintenance and energy optimization. See into the future, identify potential problems, and make smarter decisions. Construction waste management technologies, turning trash into treasure. The construction industry generates a mountain of waste, but innovative technologies are reducing, reusing, and recycling discarded materials. On-site sorting systems separate recyclables from landfill-bound waste, while mobile crushers turn concrete rubble into reusable aggregate. These technologies shrink the industry's environmental footprint. Advanced surveying techniques, mapping the future of construction. Remember those old-school surveyors with their tripods and transits? They haven't gone extinct, but they've gotten a high-tech upgrade. Techniques like laser scanning and drone photogrammetry create detailed 3D maps, capturing every nook and cranny with accuracy. It's like giving your project a high-resolution X-ray, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned. Think of a building's facade as its skin, protecting it from the elements while also regulating what goes in and out. High-performance facades use innovative materials and design strategies to create energy-efficient building envelopes that regulate daylighting and purify the air. It's like a giant, breathable shield. Remember when software companies started renting their products instead of selling them? Now the construction industry is adopting Construction as a Service, CaaS. This model offers services on a subscription basis, from design to construction management. It's like having a construction company on call without the long-term commitment. Construction as a Service, building projects, one subscription at a time. Construction can be dangerous, but what if workers could learn in a virtual world with no real-world consequences? That's the idea behind VR training. By strapping on a VR headset, workers enter simulations mimicking real construction scenarios. They practice skills, identify hazards, and build confidence in a safe environment. Welcome to virtual reality training, learning the ropes in a risk-free zone. Cities, construction intelligent technology solutions. Building smarter cities, one block at a time. Cities are like giant construction projects that never really end, and they're getting smarter about how they're built and managed. Sites brings data, sensors, and smart technology to urban environments, creating cities that are more efficient, sustainable, and livable. It's like giving your city a digital brain, adapting to the needs of its citizens. Hybrid construction, the best of both worlds. Who says you have to choose between the old and the new? Hybrid construction combines traditional methods with cutting-edge technologies, creating efficient and beautiful structures. It blends craftsmanship with precision, resulting in functional and aesthetically pleasing buildings. The best of both worlds, combining charm with innovation. Self-driving cars are getting all the hype, but the construction industry is rolling out its own fleet. From driverless dump trucks to robotic bulldozers grading land with precision, these vehicles will revolutionize construction. It's like having tireless robotic workers who never complain about long hours or bad weather. Autonomous construction vehicles, construction sites go driverless. Biophilic design, bringing the outdoors in. Remember when offices were those sterile, soul-crushing boxes? Biophilic design changes all that. It incorporates nature into the built environment, creating beautiful, healthy spaces. It's like giving your building a dose of vitamin N, making spaces inviting and productive. Robotic process automation, RPA, letting robots handle the paperwork. Construction involves a ton of paperwork, but what if we could automate those tedious tasks and free up humans to focus on more important things? That's where robotic process automation, or RPA, comes in. This technology uses software robots to automate repetitive digital tasks, like data entry and invoice processing. This frees up human workers to focus on more creative and complex tasks, improving efficiency and reducing errors. 30 innovations are transforming the construction industry. From smart materials to robotic automation, the future is here. Which innovation impressed you the most? Comment below. Subscribe for more insights into construction technology. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching. The future is built.